And there's breaking news coming in. India has won the World Cup. Congratulatory messages are pouring in from across the world. But there are some politicians who are seeing a message in the entire World Cup victory. And they say that politicians must learn that it is about teamwork and not a one-man show. Pratibha is joining me. Who are we talking about? Pratibha, take us through the details.
Well, Sagarika, the entire country is celebrating. We have wide smiles on our faces. And yet it looks like we can never take a break from politics. Kapil Sibal has taken to Twitter with a lesson that he sees in the match and the victory for politicians as well. Here's what he says. T20, India wins, the nation celebrates. Lessons for politicians. It's a team effort, not a one-man show. Take all team players on board, listen to them, take their advice, give them freedom to perform, learn from how our boys won the World Cup. So he seems to be taking a dig at a time when the entire country is celebrating, saying there are lessons for politicians here as well.
And it's only once, there's no points for guessing who he's talking about, considering the kind of messaging that has been coming in from the opposition. So is Kapil Sibal the only one who's actually trying to send out a message on the World Cup victory? And is this the time even for this kind of politics or for this kind of politicking? This is a time when the entire country has erupted in celebrations. Congratulatory messages coming in from across the spectrum, from the Bharatiya Janata Party, from the Congress, from the BRS. Everyone today is celebrating Team India's victory, not as as a professional or as a politician. They are celebrating as proud Indians. But Rajya Sabha MP Kapil Sibal is seeing a lesson in this for politicians. In a social media post like Pratibha just read out for us, he goes on to say that we have lessons to learn. This is a team effort. It's not a one-man show. And that's the tweet that we are playing out for you on our screens. He's also gone on to say that take all team players on board, listen to them, take their advice, give them freedom to perform. Did Kapil Sibal take a jibe at Prime Minister Narendra Modi? Who's he talking about is only one's guess. Niyamika is joining us on the phone line. Rajya Sabha MP Kapil Sibal there, talking about lessons for politicians from India's World Cup victory. And like we've been saying, Niyamika, no points for guessing who he's talking about.
Yes, this is a clear-cut jibe which the Rajya Sabha MP Kapil Sibal has taken over the government and basically upon Prime Minister Narendra Modi, as he has clearly mentioned the manner in which the opposition is also attacking the ruling BJP. He has also taken the same line that on one side the T20 World Cup the nation is celebrating, but it is basically a lesson for the politicians, as he has mentioned that it's a team effort, not a one-man show. Take all the team players on board, listen to them, take their advice, give them freedom to perform. So that is a dig which he has taken over Prime Minister Narendra Modi as well as the ruling BJP, because just 2 days back we have also seen that how Kapil Sibal has made a sharp attack upon the Speaker of Lok Sabha as well as the BJP, as he has mentioned about the switching off of the mics of the Member of Parliament within the Parliament. And in that particular tweet also he has mentioned that it is very much necessary to listen to the voice of the opposition, because they also represent a part of our country, and that's the only reason why he has mentioned that Parliament is for the people, not for the government or for the Speaker's wishes. So that is what the message he is trying to give in his latest tweet as well. He is also mentioning about the same kind of a thing, but that it is very much necessary on the part of the government as well that they give freedom to perform, they give freedom to the other people as well and take their advices as well. So that is a dig which he has taken over the ruling BJP as well as Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
Absolutely. So Niyamika, they're breaking down the details of what Kapil Sibal said. And like we've been telling you viewers, this is coming at a time when the entire country is celebrating Team India's World Cup victory. It's a time to unite for once and to just soak in what this historic achievement means for the nation. But there's no end to the politics. We have to take a short break here on Times Now. Stay with us. We'll be back with the news updates and headlines.